How to invite your friends to like your Facebook page. Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you'd like to invite your friends to like your Facebook page, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So you can go ahead and follow the same process for your desktop or mobile. First of all, open up Facebook, either the browser or the application available. And once you open it up here, you will be finding this on your screen. So the first thing we can do is we can switch over to our Facebook page. Look out for the menu icon in the top right corner for that and tap on it. And your profile menu appears. You may just go ahead and switch over to your Facebook page first. Once you switch over to your Facebook page, here you will be finding your Facebook page, home, etc. So you need to go ahead and look out for your profile. You can tap on the menu at the top. And from here, go ahead and tap on your profile and open up your page here. So this is my page right here. So now in order to invite our friends to like our Facebook page is we can use the invite option or the share option. So you can just go ahead and tap on the three dot. And once you tap on the three dot, you can just go ahead and tap on this option for sharing your profile, tap on it. And from here you can copy link, text, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. or tap on this more option and share it. So you can copy the link and share it like this. You may just go ahead and copy the link and etc. So let me just go ahead and copy the link. Once you copy the link, you can use any of the social media or any of the messaging application that you would like to send the invite to. So let's just head over and send it here, for example, and hit send. And that is possible. This is one of the way you can just go ahead and share your profile. Or you may just go to your profile, switch to your original profile, and once you are switched over here, go to the menu on the top right. And once you go over here, go ahead and click on your profile. Your page, one of the pages available. And once you open up one of the pages like this, you should be finding these options on your screen. You can tap on the three dot right beside it. And once you tap on the three dot, you will be finding option for inviting friends. Go ahead and tap on it. And from there, you can just go ahead and select the list of friends that you would like to send the invite for. For example, I have this friend. So you can just go ahead and select the invite and tap on done. And that will invite that particular friend to like your page. And that's it. So these are the methods available in order to invite your friends to like your Facebook page. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.